Hi y'all, this is So Blessed. Welcome to the Blessed Place. How y'all doing? Let's cook some Southern style keto cabbage. So here I've already cut up my cabbage. Y'all had to Google how to cut up cabbage. And I found out that you're supposed to cut that part out. I didn't know. So I cut that part out. I put my cabbage in a strainer. I washed my cabbage and I'm gonna let it sit there and strain while I work on my other ingredients. So I've cut up my bacon and my sausage. I'm going to saute those. I cooked or sauteed, whatever the proper word is, my bacon, but I don't want to get it too crispy. So I'm only going to cook it a little bit. And then I did the same for my sausage using that good old bacon fat. Then I put them together so that they can meld together and play well together in the pot. And because that's what makes it Southern, that yummy goodness you see right there. And then from there, I took my meat out of the pot, and then I used that same bacon fat to saute some yellow onions. Yes, I purchased them already diced. And then I added some tri-pepper mix and a couple of, I would say teaspoon, I use a tablespoon, but a couple of teaspoons of minced garlic that I bought already minced. And then to that, I added onion powder and some garlic powder. And yes, even though I already have onion and garlic in there, but y'all know how I love me some onion and garlic powder. And I added some black pepper and some salt. So I'm going to stir that around and cook and get that seasoning in there and let that cook down. And then from there, I'm going to add my meat back into the pot so that we can stir that around real good. And then we put the cabbage on top. And don't worry about it being filled to the top. That cabbage is going to reduce and cook down. So I changed my tops because I wanted to be able to see all that yummy goodness and what was going on inside the pot. So I'm checking on it. You can see that it's cooked down some and it's going to reduce even further. And if you had more cabbage, you could go ahead and add it to the pot. Now it's all cooked down. And I added some more garlic powder, some more onion powder, some more black pepper, but I did not add any more salt because I don't want it to be too salty due to the bacon fat and the sausage. But I did that, and now it's all cooked down, it's reduced, it's ready. I'm gonna turn my stove down from medium to low and let that cook, and we're gonna taste. Okay, my husband says it tastes good. Let me see. Yes, it does.